It's late October at Mono Pond in Columbia, Connecticut. And as winter approaches, the foliage here is already beginning to undergo some very colorful changes. Each year in New England, as summer gives way to the shorter days and cooler temperatures of fall, forests undergo a spectacular transformation. Leaves that were green throughout the warmer months begin to assume a vibrant palette of colors, ranging from bright yellow to deep crimson red. The lands of New England in particular have gained considerable fame for their annual autumn display, drawing tourism from as far as the deep south. But why exactly does this colorful change occur? There's actually a two-part answer to this question, and the first of which relies on understanding what makes leaves look green to begin with. Now, the green coloration in the leaves that we're so familiar with during the spring and summer is caused by the reflection of green light by a chemical in the leaves known as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a chemical that is responsible for essentially turning sunlight into a usable form of energy. Now, as fall approaches, the days grow shorter and shorter, and the amount of sunlight that chlorophyll can take advantage of to turn into a usable source of energy for the tree begins to diminish. When it diminishes to a certain point, it's no longer practical for the tree to attempt to keep a large crown of leaves. Slowly but surely, a thin layer of cells will grow over the vessel ordinarily used to keep the leaves nourished. As chlorophyll decays, the amount of green light reflected from a leaf will also begin to diminish, until it's almost gone entirely. This allows all the other colors of the leaf, which before were difficult to perceive, to shine through. Colors such as yellow and orange become very vibrant as the leaf nears its end. The deep red colors that are found in some leaves tend usually not to be pigments. Instead, the red coloration comes from the degradation of glucose, food produced in the leaf that was never able to make it back to the parent plant before the vessel that nourishes the leaf was cut off. As that glucose decays, it takes on a very red color, which is why you'll see yellow, orange, and that bright, distinctive crimson red during fall.